What's up guys, it's Ben from Theme Park Groupie, and today I'm going to show you some fast tips on Disney's Fastpass system. Okay, hopefully the reason you're here is because you're planning in advance, because that's the first thing you need to do. Go ahead and download the My Disney Experience app and plan your vacation in advance. You can select your fast passes in advance 30 days unless you're staying at a Disney resort, and in which case you can plan your fast passes 60 days in advance. So if you're in that 30-day range or that 60-day range, fast passes open up in that selected time at 7 a.m. Eastern time. So if your vacation is 30 days from today and it's 7 a.m., you want to jump on that My Disney Experience app and go ahead and select your fast passes. So you can only pick one park per day, and you can only do 3 fast passes for that park. So once you used up those 3 fast passes in that day, you can go back on the app and do 1 fast pass at a time until the end of the day. So to get the most out of your day, mornings and evenings are the slowest. So to do your fast pass, it's wisest to try to get that chunk in the middle of the day when it's the busiest to catch the biggest rides. You don't want to do fast passes for these small rides that have low wait times. You want to do the big pass. Say for Magic Kingdom, Space Mountain, Seven Dwarfs Mine Train, or Hollywood Studios, you want to do the Toy Story rides if you can, because those fill up like that. Still to this day, it's nearly impossible under your 30 days to get Flight of Passage at Animal Kingdom or any of the Toy Story rides at Hollywood Studios. There is a technique under the term pounding the app, which people use whether you're 30 days out or 1 day out. You can go on the My Disney Experience app and just hit reload and reload and reload and hope and pray that one of these show up. It's possible, people have done it, you just have to catch it at the right time. Maybe someone hit cancel or something happened that one of these popped back up and you can jump on one of these big rides. Me personally, I've done it for about an hour, sitting and watching a movie, hit reload, 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 and finally a good one popped up and I jumped on it. It's possible, but it's gonna be a lot of work. Do not cheat. People have been trying to cheat for a while and Disney is cracking down on them and blocking them from using fast passes. So do yourself a favor, don't cheat. Just do it the right way. Try to do it with the most technique so you can get the most out of your trip. If you do see one on there, jump on it. Do not hit reload. Do not go somewhere else. If you see a good one, jump on it, because by the time you refresh, it's probably going to be gone. So Disney's Fastpass system is blocked into hour periods. So you must show up between the 1 hour period that you've chosen, say between 1 and 2 o'clock. You have to show up in between that time bracket. But depending on the employee, sometimes they may let you go a little beforehand, or if you're late, they might let you still go if you're only a little bit late. But it really depends on the employee if they're nice enough. Well, we hope we helped you guys a little bit on Walt Disney World's Fastpass system. If you do have any additional questions, ask us in the comments. We'll be sure to get back to you. Thanks for watching our video. If you did like it, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and thanks for watching Theme Park Groupie.